Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use your bottom hand in cricket. The bottom hand is absolutely vital for generating power and maintaining control during your shots. Think of it as the engine for certain strokes, while also providing essential guidance for others. A well-executed bottom hand technique ensures a fluid swing and allows you to hit the ball with precision and force. We will delve into the specifics of grip, positioning, and its role in various shots, offering practical advice to enhance your batting. Let's talk about the correct grip and positioning for your bottom hand. You want your fingers wrapped around the handle, but crucially, avoid gripping too tightly. A relaxed hold is key for wrist flexibility, allowing for those quick adjustments needed in batting. Form a V shape with your thumb and forefinger, pointing it down the back of the bat. For optimal leverage and control, position your bottom hand approximately 2 to 3 inches below your top hand. This spacing is vital for a balanced and powerful swing. The bottom hand's role varies significantly across different shots. For horizontal bat shots, such as powerful pulls and hooks, it's the primary source of power, driving the bat through the ball. In contrast, for vertical bat shots like straight drives, it acts more as a supportive force, ensuring the bat face is perfectly aligned, whether open or closed. It's instrumental in accelerating the bat through the point of contact, adding crucial momentum. Furthermore, a well-engaged bottom hand contributes significantly to your balance and stability throughout the follow-through. To refine your technique, let's address some common mistakes. A frequent error is gripping the bat too tightly with the bottom hand, which severely restricts vital wrist movement. Another pitfall is allowing the bottom hand to overly dominate the top hand, particularly for straight drives, where the top hand should lead. To improve, incorporate drills that isolate the bottom hand, building its strength and control. Ultimately, the goal is a balanced contribution from both hands, ensuring consistent and effective shot-making across all areas of the ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.